Hello, my ladies. It's time. Now we're gonna work on the body roll, and I know that everyone was waiting for this, so we're gonna start to move to learn the right technique and keep it for you because it's gonna be super useful for your dance and to dance in couple. Okay? The body roll. What we're gonna try, we are spending too much energy in changing our body weight with the body when we have to do it with the floor. As we were saying in the like at the beginning of the course, we traditionally is down, but in sensual we use the floor and we push it to get the energy and to get more amplitude to do the movements. Okay, so what you have to work, and it's going to be super good for your heels and for your legs and for your energy, is going to be this change of weight. Try to not move the upper body is still on the center, and we are just like moving by pushing with my toes to transfer my weight. Yeah, so this, try to push it from the metatarso as we were working before. So like this, you get the strong heels and you avoid to do these kind of things. Okay, this is totally wrong. It can make you like a lot of pain. So heels inside, you're gonna push from the metatarsal or from the center of your feet if you control it, and try to avoid these things. Okay, so first thing for the wave is, first rule, we always change weight in between one leg and the other. The guy is gonna make sure that he make you step forward or he change the direction, so like this you have one foot in front of the other one. Other thing that we need to work, ladies, if we were working before in the basic in V position, or like naturally, organically, we are in this position, when you go to do the wave, please don't put the legs like this. Keep your feet pointing out, just step forward, and like this they're gonna be ready for the wave. We're gonna have balance, and then when we sit, this is super uncomfortable. So the knees in this position, they are already on the spot. They are where they had to be. If we go down, the knees, they have to end up like this. So we need to have a space in between both of the legs. We're gonna change the weight. We're gonna look to the left. Foot are pointing out. Quadriceps, this part is activate, and don't block your neck back if you don't work with this part of the muscle. So everything, by pushing the floor, everything is going to be up. Then you don't have to think anymore in the base, because this is going to give you balance. Okay, everything glutes, everything is super tense. Now we're gonna bring the stomach in. So we lift the ribs and the chest to get more amplitude. What we're gonna do? Close the shoulder blades. Be careful to not use your shoulder. Your shoulder should be down and back, and you should feel like tension all the time here. So we go forward, stomach in, up, close. We're gonna go back before to change the weight. We are bringing in here. Now, how low we need to go? You just need to unblock the leg, the knee that you have in front, so that your hip can continue with the wave, and you're gonna continue up, okay, to your limit, ladies. Now, to go up, we're gonna go down first. Now, the leader in the movement is the hip, so we're gonna let just the hip to go forward. The hip is the one pulling, pull, 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 pull. When we change the weight, we're gonna push the floor, and now the energy doesn't go forward, it goes all the way up. And my ribs should be one more time open, then I can relax, yeah? So we do it from here. We go from my leg that I have backwards, I'm gonna transfer the weight forward by pushing the floor up. If the wave is big, then you're gonna feel how the head needs to go back. But really the head is never included in the wave. It's just an option if we want to do lady style. So if I go here, I should be able to keep my head in the same position, But if the wave is big, then you're gonna feel how the head naturally need to go back, okay? So the technique that we have been working here is legs all the time stretched. So the wave, when it goes down, it starts totally up. This is why we are pushing the floor, we are growing, and we are going to our limit. And second rule is that we need to change the weight. And third rule is head is not included. Fourth rule is there is just one part of the body that is starting and leading the movement, okay? So same thing in different directions. Now we're gonna go lateral. So we change by pushing the floor. Now we're gonna go with stomach in, open the ribs. We go lateral, change the weight, go in and block, and relax. Relax and finish to the limit. This leg, for me, is okay here. For me, it's okay here, or even if you are dancing, you could do this, okay? As long as you have the weight where you have to finish, it's okay. Try to not break, like this is okay because we are following the line, but if we do this, we are breaking the line. So try to make always like curved lines. So we're gonna go, change the weight, up, go inside, relax. Now we go up, we go down, just the hip. Check that I'm still in the same part of the picture. I'm not doing this. It's just the hip going. When I reach my limit, I'm gonna push the floor and go up, yeah? If we do it, we're gonna try to do it now a bit smaller to see that my head doesn't need to move. So I go hip, continue, up, okay? So we're gonna do an exercise with the music. The exercise is going to be basic 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. We do wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times to go down, 4 times to go up. Now directly we change direction and we go wave to the right, looking forward. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, good B. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, we go with one more basic, 1, and we go to the right, the same, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, basic to the right, and we're gonna try with music. Open, close, open, close. Now we go with a wave, super slow, ladies. Change the wave, back. We go up, lateral, and we go up. Basic E1. 7, 5, 7, lateral, basic, and now we're gonna go to the right. Basic, E7, one more time, E1, 3, 4, 5, 7, E1, 3, 4, 7, basic 1, 7, basic 5, one more time, that's it, ladies. I hope you have the idea of the wave. You need to work a lot. At the beginning, it's not easy because there is like too many tips to follow. But try to make it, try to work, keep working when you go to the social dance. Keep working on it, enjoy it, but like be conscious of what you do when you do the movement, because it's gonna be super useful for you when you follow the guy, and for him it's going to be easier. So thank you so much. See you in the next class.